You can recognize it on the day driving lights. Very aggressive. How huge this is the center exhaust. Very nice to see these buttons in this center console. What's up guys, welcome back to a new sneak preview at Geneva with this behind me here. Yes, it's the new Mercedes-AMG GTR Roadster. Yes, Roadster meaning we have no roof. In this car with this engine, you're gonna have a serious sound experience. Okay, some key facts on the AMG GTR Roadster. So we have an open top driving, rear axle steering, active aerodynamics for precision driving, pre-layered fabric top, lightweight magnesium, steel aluminium structure, alright, and the 16th member of the AMG GT product range. Okay, so let's start on this big nose. So yeah, Panamericana grille here. In the center, the big sensor for all the electronic driving assistance. Little front spoiler lip here. And then that aggressive bumper of the GTR with those intercoolers. Air channels here. Talking about the facelift AMG GT, you can see that and you can recognize it on the day driving lights. Very aggressive. Also here below some extra LED units. Front wheels, so we have some serious yellow caliper 6 pistons, AMG wheels with double trim colored silver and black, drilled discs, and measures up to 75, 35, 19 inch. Those nice side designs, these are definitely functional. Gloss black finishing here. Side skirt gloss black. Aggressive rear wheels, yellow calipers, again steel brakes, drilled, and wheel measures of 325, 30, 20 inch. And then this, guys. So here you go, the Roadster look. So there we have the whole little roof. Okay, rear design, guys. Well, instantly the same as the regular GTR, except for the roof, of course. So we still have that very aggressive rear diffuser with those 3 exhausts. Look at how huge this is. This is the center exhaust, AMG badged, and also these extra pipes. Very, very big. Still good looking for a big wing. Okay, it's time to pop the hood and let's have a look at the famous engine. V8 bi-turbo producing 585 horses and built by Kostriro Tahiri. Again, very nice to see how deep the engine is mounted. There you have the 2 turbos. Okay, let's see the little trunk space. Because yeah, the roof is all the way down. Here we go. Well, yeah. Well, not very small actually. I've expected smaller, so still some proper space here. while the roof is folded down. Okay, let's have a look inside the Roadster. So this is a color combination of, well, white leather. Let's name this white leather. Nice carbon trim here, diamond stitching, black with white, Burmester high-end audio. Little small spaces here. The door sills are blacked out. Entrance test. Well, yeah, very Roadster, very low, as you're used to be. Alright, welcome inside the AMG GTR Roadster. So this is a point of view in the AMG GTR Roadster. You can see on the display and on this display and on this steering wheel, it's the facelift model. Let's bring some light in this interior. All the buttons going on. So there's the digital cockpit you also saw on the A35. So still on the side here, manual buttons for the controls for the lights, handbrake. You can see that we have leather on the dash. There we have that Burmester audio. Little tweeter over there on the dash. Of course, full leather all with the white stitching. This is the new steering wheel with the control for the car programs. You can see that they switch on both screens for your selections. So I will definitely choose for race. So this display you can change. It's like the A35. Center console, still the same with those little 4 vents. Very futuristic. This is not a touch screen. Let's zoom out a little bit. So you control it from the touchpad. All the way here down, this is all leather, all leather. So here you can clearly see that new center console. Instead of buttons, we have display as buttons. So these are little displays. Manual gear shift, the button for the suspension control, for exhaust open or close. So yeah, very nice to see these buttons in this center console. Little armrest with the Hoeba logo, very big. Armrest, 2 USB inputs and an SD card input. Yeah guys, here you go. The AMG GTR Roadster. I actually can't wait to experience this on the road. I mean, a Roadster with this kind of horsepower, and then the AMG pops and sounds in V8. Sick. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao.